Holly, and I'm super excited because today we're going to be unboxing this large bag of yarn. So I was just looking for yarn online, and I came across Premier Yarns, and they had some new yarns that I just fell in love with, and so I bought a bunch of them, like a whole bunch. So by the time this video comes out, they might not be new anymore, but they were new to me, and so I was super excited. So I've got my handy dandy scissors here. Rainbow. Ooh, pretty. And I'm going to try to cut open the bag, guys. These scissors are the worst. I bought these scissors. We were driving to Texas and we stopped in Indiana. And I ran over to the Aldi's to buy some snacks because, you know, whatever, right? And they had these rainbow scissors and I bought them. But they sometimes suck, so. So this unboxing video might be 20 minutes long because instead of getting my good scissors, I got these scissors. I'm trying, guys. I'm so close to the end here. I'm sorry. It just doesn't want to cut this plastic. Okay, there we go. I get it. The bag is open. Oh, it is so pretty. So I got a little paper in here. And it just tells me everything that I bought. So I bought, they have new yarn, and they have it in sock weight yarn. Is this all of it? Let me see here. Nope. Okay, sock weight yarn and cakes of worsted weight yarn. And they are their new fruit yarns. So I have some here. So let's see. Let's start with the fingering weight yarns first. I'll unbox these and show you the colors. I bought every color, guys, because I was like, I had to. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the fingering weight. So I'll open this first one. Do I have something I could throw these in? Hold for 1 second, guys. Okay. Since I didn't think ahead, I went and got a little basket right here so I could just drop them after I show you. So I'm going to show you each color, guys. So these are their, that was my phone. I'm sorry, people are writing me. Premier Fruits. These are fingering weight. I'm trying to get to all the info, guys. There it is. 235 yards. So I think you'd need 2 of these to make a pair of socks unless you made like shorty socks. So this one is called Strawberry, and it is that red, you guys. It's very red and green. See the picture of the strawberry. I won't spend forever because there's so many of them. The next one, same amount of yarn. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. Okay, so there's 93% acrylic, 7% PBT. I have no idea what that is. This one is watermelon, very watermelon. If you see the socks, so cute, watermelon. This one in this package is guava. Very, very pretty. There's the sock again. So pretty. Okay, now I'll open the big package here of all of these are the same makeup as far as what they are. The acrylic and the PBT and the yardage is all the same, just different colors. This one is kiwi. Oh, kiwi got blown out because it's so light, but there you go. It's so pretty. I love kiwi. This one is called blueberry. Love it. Look at the blue socks, guys. So cute. This one was one of my favorites. I love it so much. It's called banana. Again, it's good. If I put it over here, you can see the banana because the light is on this side. So banana, so pretty. Banana was one of the ones that I was like, I have to get that one. This one is called orange. I'm trying to show you the socks at the same time, guys. So love it. This one is grapefruit. So pretty. These would make amazing socks. I have no intentions on making socks at all, guys. Now, this one was one that I was going to get no matter what. It's called dragon fruit, and you can see why. Pink and yellow and black. I love it. And then this one is lime. The sock on that one. So cute. 2 more for this, guys. Grape. Oh, I love the grape, right? That is so pretty. And then our last one is plum. And plum, look at plum, you guys. So pretty. So that is all of the fingering weight ones. And when I was trying to pick about which ones to buy, I was talking to Mr. Pineapple, and I was like, do I get a few of the fingering weight? Do I get a few of the worsted weight cakes? What do I get? And then I was just kind of like, can I get them all? And he was like, yeah, because he's that great of a husband. He's sitting over there, but he's a great husband. Everybody give him a round of applause. Okay, so let me get a cake of these ones out, guys. All right. Why this one is double wrapped, I don't have a clue, but we'll break it free from its double wrapping. All right. So for these cakes, sweet rolls, fruit cakes, there's 174 yards for 100 grams. It's a number 4 worsted weight. It is 100% acrylic. So this one is called Plum. Very pretty, and it's got a little picture of how it works up. Very pretty. Again, the banana, guys. Look at the banana. And if you see the picture of how it works up, it looks like a banana with like those little markings in it. I don't really know. Maybe that's where the seeds used to be in a banana, but we don't have seeds in our bananas. Most here in the US, we don't have seeds in bananas usually. This one is called Grapefruit. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Again, here's my one of my favorites, guys. Dragon fruit, right? Yep, dragon fruit. I love this one. Look at how it works up. It's so pretty. That's what dragon fruit looks like when you open up dragon fruit. I've never ate dragon fruit a day in my life, but I know this. I just know this. And then they have watermelon, which, come on guys, look at that. Watermelon. I love that so much. And then there is, I'm trying to find the name on this one, lime. So pretty. Look at the lime. So pretty. 2 more of these, guys. Blueberry. And there's how it works up. Very pretty. And last but certainly not least is guava. It's so pretty. I love guava too. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. So that is my Premier Yarns unboxing. I love these so much. I have a couple ideas for the worsted and for the fingering weight. I kind of think I'm going to make a couple projects with them. And really just have fun with them because they're so cute, right? Who doesn't want this as, like, I don't know, a hat, a cowl, something, guys. If you have any suggestions, suggest them down in the comment section. Also, let me know which color was your favorite. I love them all. I think dragon fruit in both the fingering weight and worsted was still my favorite. But guava is guava's in there. But okay, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I will link... I will try to link both of them down below. If not, I will at least link Premier Yarns so that you can get on there and find them. Okay, guys? I will see you all later. Bye.